socks are in the garden. So socks are in the garden. Socks in the garden. The socks are in the garden and she doing what she do. She in the garden now and she gonna keep it true. She keep them pears and the plums over there. But still I'm over here and I say that I care. I'm saying your name, say your name here today. Now I'm over here to other people what you say. You wanna see her go into her channel. The socks are in the garden, what I'm talking about, just send the socks are in the garden. 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 I know you doing many things and you doing today, but still I'm over here and I'm doing it my way. But still I wanna show some love to you. Some other people saying that yes, that this is what I do. I wanna say your name, I wanna say your name today. Your name is Socks in the garden every single day. So when I say your name, I say your name with my chest. So socks in the garden, what I'm gonna say today. Send the socks in the garden. 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 Then I know that you over there, you doing what you do. I know that you over there with your family. Your family that's over there, I'm saying ooh wee. I know I'm over wishing you is happy. But still you doing you and you doing so well. You doing over here then now I got a story tell. The story tell for you and the story just for me. For socks in the garden and you saying ooh wee. Send the socks in the garden. I send the socks in the garden. I send the socks in the garden. I send the socks in the garden. I'm saying now that I'm doing this and you doing it. Some other people say I'm over here to check for that. I wanna see you growing and I want some more. Some more people going to your show because you got the information for the people. The people say they need to see more for show. But still I'm doing this and I'm doing it. The socks are in the garden, now we about to own it. Say the socks are in the garden. 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 But now you know that I'm doing so many different lines because I wanna put your name up in some rhymes. The rhymes is over here to with a fast tempo, but still I said I'm doing this just for you. So if I see you, I will share you out. But then I'm gonna over and I shout you out because you is the socks in the garden today. But still I'm over here and I do it my way. Send the socks in the garden. I 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 send the socks in the garden. The garden.